What's going on, people? Donnie D back at it. Scoped and Fit Bodies. So on my IG post last week, I made a Greek quinoa salad. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you how the magic happens. So let's have some nice ingredients here. We have all of these things for the most part are going to be organic. If you can't afford organic or you just don't want to budge for the extra money, you can get conventional, but I'm just going to walk you through on the ingredients that are in it. We're going to start off over here. We have two 15-ounce cans of gazanzo beans or chickpeas, whatever. They're both the same thing. We have 2 cups of tricolor quinoa. That's two cups cooked. All right. Next to that, we have some lightly sauteed baby kale, some feta cheese, a orange pepper, cucumbers, and these are cherry tomatoes and a little bit of red onion. So we're gonna bring all this stuff together. You don't have to do it in any particular order, so I'm just gonna drop in all of the ingredients. So that was with the chickpeas. All right. Then next, we're going quinoa. All right. There's no sense of being shy. Just gonna dump it all in there. All right. We're gonna save the Greek. The feta cheese for last. I like to use that as a topping. All right, drop in those red onions, tomatoes. All right. Orange pepper. Got a casualty. All right. Cucumber. All right. It's actually kind of too small. All right, so that's all in there. And what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna show you how the magic happens, and it's what's gonna marry all of these beautiful ingredients into one. We're gonna show you how to do the dressing. So I have a few ingredients over there, and I'll show you how I kind of mix it up. So our ingredients is very simple dressing, a vinaigrette, natural vinaigrette. All of the ingredients that you see here, you can kind of play around with them, and you can add or take out things that you don't like. You're just gonna get adventures and see what you like and what you don't, and just kind of do your own thing with it. That's the beauty about food. The sky's the limit. Is creativity at its best, and you are the boss, and you can make it happen however you see fit. So what I'm gonna be using, I'm using a protein shaker bottle as a mixing device. So I'm gonna start off with extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna go roughly half cup-ish. I'm just eyeballing this here. I'm cooking from Seoul. No measurements with it, even though you can kind of use your ounce. Let's see, I kind of eyeball it. That's about half a cup. I'm gonna go maybe quarter cup vinegar, white vinegar. All right. Some salt. And I'm just eyeballing it, and this is all based on your personal palate or taste. High blood pressure folks can be easy with the salt, otherwise you can kind of do your thing. Some fresh pepper, black pepper. And this is just, I'm eyeballing it. So I'm putting in some oregano. All right, just a little bit more. All right. And this is Salad Supreme, a little kick from the Salad Supreme. All right. And this is a Basil garlic sea salt mix. So just a little bit of this. We already added salt and we already added oregano. So I'm just gonna get a dash of that for that basil, a little kick from the basil. Not too much. And this is just my personal preference. You can kind of do your own thing with this. So what we're gonna do, now we're gonna put a top on that. And we're gonna shake it up, make it happen. All right. All right, so everything's in there. I forgot one ingredient. I'm gonna grab that now. Lemon, a little bit of lemon. Ideally, I recommend to use fresh lemon juice if possible. But if you don't have it, you can use what you have. But ideally, grab some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Fresher the ingredients, the better the product. All right, so shake it up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a quick mix. Move everything around. Look at all those colors. Very beautiful colors, very vibrant, fresh ingredients. Orange, green, brown, a little bit of purple. This is beautiful. All right, so gonna do a quick shake on the vinaigrette again. All right, so we're gonna bring it all together. Just pour. I like to save a little bit extra because I like to top it off once it's plated with a little bit on top. All right, so it's pretty liberally coated. Gonna mix it around again. All right, it kind of brings all of that together. All right, so I'm gonna bring this back over to the glass bowl. All right, kind of see it all coming together. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Nutrient dense calories. And again, this is, right now, this is a vegan dish. So if you're a flexitarian like myself, or if you're a vegetarian or vegan, at this point, this is a vegan dish. So no animal products, all fresh ingredients from the earth. And again, organic for the most part, if you can. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plate this, and we're gonna top it off with a little bit more vinaigrette, and we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of the feta cheese. All right, so the magic is almost done. So what we're gonna do, we have this, I'm gonna be presenting this and serving this on a small plate. You can either have this as a side salad, or if you're eating this as a entree, just get a bigger plate or a bigger bowl, just have a bigger portion. So this is a side option, a side item to a meal, or you can eat this as a meal, because again, this is higher protein. You can have protein from your quinoa, protein from your chickpeas, and your micronutrients from all of the veggies, the tomatoes, the cucumber, the peppers, so the greens, the kale. So you're gonna have a lot of nutrients in this, so you can use this as a, again, I told you we're gonna finish it off with a little bit more, and this, again, this isn't what you have to do. We're just gonna pour a little bit extra on there, bring some more flavor to it. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish it off with some of the, again, if you're a vegan, you can remove this one, or you can, I never had it before, but you can experiment, or if you have a feta cheese, a vegan feta cheese option, that's up to you. So boom, there we are. So this is a very good meal. Again, this is vegan friendly. Remove the feta cheese or add vegan feta cheese. High protein, chickpeas, quinoa. Those are complete proteins. So complete proteins are something that you want to have, especially if you don't eat a lot of meat. So my channel is based on flexitarianism. So some days I don't have any meat products. So, but I'm also still lift weights and resistance training. So I like to make sure that I get enough protein. So that's what's going to help build that lean muscle tissue. And if you're interested in that, I'll post another video. So in the comment section, let me know if you want to learn more about protein. If you're not sure, you have questions, or not really understanding something, give me some ideas in the comment section, and I'll check you out later. Thank you. Appreciate you. Next